tool for you. In this lecture, I'm going to give you an introduction to Pygame and its capabilities. Alright, so let's start with the basics. What is Pygame? Pygame is a Python module specifically designed for creating two-dimensional games, animations, and other interactive multimedia applications. Pygame is primarily designed for game development. You can create a variety of games with it, such as Snake Game, platformers like Super Mario Bros. Or Sonic the Hedgehog, and puzzle games like Tetris. Moreover, Pygame is used to create multimedia applications such as educational software like interactive simulations, quizzes, and other learning tools. For instance, Pygame could be used to develop an interactive physics simulation that allows students to experiment with different variables and see how they affect the outcome. Pygame's graphics and sound capabilities make it well suited for developing art and music applications. For example, Pygame could be used to create a simple music sequencer where users can create and edit music tracks using a graphical interface. Pygame is equally open source and cross-platform, which means that the source code is available to the public and is free to use, modify, and distribute, even for commercial purposes. Being cross-platform means that Pygame can run on multiple operating systems, such as Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and mobile devices, without requiring significant modifications to the code. This makes it easier for developers to create games and other multimedia applications that can run on different platforms, which in turn helps to reach a wider audience. Now, let's take a closer look at some of Pygame's specific capabilities. First of all, graphics. Pygame provides a set of functions for drawing graphics, such as lines, circles, and polygons, which can be used to create objects that can be animated. You can also load and display images in various formats, such as GIF, JPEG, and PNG. Pygame also provides a set of functions for playing and manipulating sound files, such as WAV and MP3 files, which can be used to add sound effects to our programs. In addition, Pygame allows you to handle input from various devices, including keyboards, computer mice, and game controllers. It also supports touch input on mobile devices. Secondly, animations. Pygame provides a set of functions for creating animations, including sprite animations and particle systems, which gives games an attractive aspect. Pygame also provides a simple physics engine for simulating basic physics effects, such as gravity and collisions, which, in return, make games and simulations look more real. Networking. Pygame provides a set of functions for creating networked multiplayer games. In conclusion, Pygame is a powerful tool for game development that is easy to learn and use. With Pygame, you can create your own games and other multimedia applications and let your imagination run wild. So throughout this course, we're going to talk about all these properties, and by the end, you'll be able to create your own game. That's a wrap for today's lecture. Thank you for watching, and now on to the next one.